Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you a sports exterior and interior along with 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A nut brown MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, same set of floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a brown ash wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. We've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera with sensors, navigation, dual climate controls, our hard keys for our media display, a wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, our touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving settings. This E-Class has 30,960 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you would like to view more photos of this E-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.